Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. I just finished my workout at the gym. My Monday back and biceps workout. If you guys are new here, my name is Jess. I'm a mom. I've got 2 boys. This is my journey of being a mom, working out, going to school, working, and balancing it all. Quinn's awake, just getting ready for school. I had a shower right when I got home and put my hair up in a clip because I put a hair mask in. Just dropped Quinn off at school. I just drove him over quick. Hey babe!
Hi sweetheart.
Do you want a bagel with egg and cheese?
Oh my god, I would love that.
Okay, I'll make that quick. I always cook with coconut oil. Taking Quinn to school?
Yeah.
Absolutely fine. The pumpkin spice era is over and it's now peppermint mocha. Did a little bit of skincare, a little bit of makeup. Now I'm gonna blow dry my hair. My hair is all blow dried and now I'm gonna go watch my class. I've been studying lots today. It's 4 o'clock.
Mom, I love you.
I love you with all my heart.
3.
You have 3 stripes?
Vacation started.
High five! Oh! 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 Oh!
Good job, Quinn.
Let's play stripes.
Made some grilled cheese for the kids and he's just cutting it up. Let's turn this off. That's loud. We got some French fries. Sorry if I've been vlogging more today. Also my hair looks a little crazy, but yeah, haven't been vlogging very much today. Sorry guys. I've just been studying my butt off. That's gonna be most of me today as well as tomorrow. Is that hot? At the table.
Oh, sure. I'm down in the lava. Turn out my door in the lava, please.
I'll get the sword out of the lava for you.
That's nice. Food and soup.
We ordered from our favorite plant-based place.
Ooh.
We ordered fresh. I got the
Favorite after
protein.
last.
I don't know, this might be my favorite. Got protein bowl,
Nice knowing you.
powerhouse. These are dragon fries and dumplings. We got a little carrot cake for dessert too.
Did you hear that sound?
We're gonna watch some Saturday Night Live.
Did you hear that sound?
What sound? Mom?
No?
I heard nothing.
It sounded like a cell phone.
I think it's Coop's iPad.
Oh man, okay.
Should we take Grandma's car?
No, we'll take our car.
Grandma took our car.
We'll take our car. All right, I just dropped Quinn off at school. I went to bed a little late last night because I was studying, so I didn't get up early to go to the gym. I have a really full day ahead of me. I have to study for my midterm tomorrow, and then I have a presentation in the same class. So, busy day. I didn't want to be too tired. Wanted to make sure that I got adequate rest. So I didn't go to the gym. Maybe I'll go later. Probably not. I'll go tomorrow. Good morning. How are you? Where are we going? We're just gonna go out in the backyard to look at the new doors. Do you want to come? And put your boots on and carry you so your feeties don't get cold. Oh my goodness. They look so good. They match with our windows now. Wow. We've got 2 doors back here now. One from Ken and Sandy's room and one from the office.
Let's go look at the shed.
We've also got a door on our shed.
Wow.
Do you like the shed? It's very tall. We could literally put like a clubhouse like up the upper level.
This door is beautiful.
It's so nice. It's like heavy duty.
Yeah.
Way better than our last shed door. Oh my god.
A little bit. Just a little.
Got Coop all set up with his breakfast. Just tidy up my workspace just the littlest bit. And get started on studying. Alright, I'm just going to be sitting at my desk for like the next 3 to 4 hours studying. That should get most of my study work done. And then I have to start getting ready for my tutorial today. I have tutorial at 2:30, so I have to leave around 2. And I'm presenting in front of our tutorial class today, so I want to like do my hair, do my makeup. I'm like feeling like a little grub right now, which is fine, but I'm gonna get ready at like 1 o'clock to go do that. And I'll probably be home around 5 p.m. and then at 5, you know, hang out with the kids, do dinner, that whole thing. Yep, that's my plan. So I'm gonna get to it. And Coop's just chilling back there. He'll be good for like a couple hours, then he'll need some lunch. So yeah, that's my plan. Just made myself and Tim a smoothie. Date almond. The kitchen is a little bit of a disaster. And it's really gonna bother me. I already know. So I'm just gonna clean that up now really quick. I was taking my own name, chasing up. More strike stuff. I'm almost in. Listening to some Taylor Swift. I've got my presentation notes there. And we'll be parking soon. It's almost time for presentation.
From the baseball, it's still in the water.
Yeah, it can go in the water. It absolutely can.
Right here. And
Yes? Yeah? Sure.
Mom, can you be with me?
Come here. I'm just gonna talk to the vlog. Here, come sit beside me. Oh, I got home from my presentation. It went really good. I made dinner. Just really busy and didn't really vlog. The boys had dinner and now we're doing bath time. And then once these kids are in bed, I'm just gonna study the night away. Loud watching with slow, deep breaths or sprinting, panting. Our breathing, our respiration is chemistry. Everyday chemistry. Chemical reactions are all around.
There was so much Christmas spirit in here that the sleigh flew all the way to the top of the Empire State Building.
What's so funny? What's so funny? What's so funny?
The next day was Christmas.
What's so funny?
I will.
It is 9:23. I made myself a coffee, getting all set up to study. Got a test tomorrow. My nutrition course doesn't have an exam. It's just 3 tests. This is the 3rd test. Also, how cute are these mugs that we got from Starbucks? Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. I've taken a couple of days off. I took Wednesday and Thursday off of vlogging, which felt so nice to have like a little refresh. Just had my like last midterm on Wednesday morning, and I stayed up really late studying for that, so I was just not feeling up to it and napping a lot. And then Wednesday night, Tim got home from his trip, and yesterday I spent the entire day with my aunt. She came and stayed from like 9:30 until like 6. We just like hung out, went to the mall, did a little bit of Christmas shopping. She got a couple of presents for my boys, Playmobil advent calendar for Coop, and a Star Wars advent calendar for Quinn, and a bunch of candy, and a new book. So yeah, we had a great day yesterday. It was so much fun. And I just didn't pick up my camera at all. I was just enjoying being really present and being with family. So we're back at it today. Don't mind me just sitting in front of our unmade bed. Literally don't care. Like, I try to make these vlogs like as like unfiltered and like real as I possibly can. Like most of the time, like I'm not wearing makeup and I don't really care about my house looking perfect, because that's not real life and that's not my life. Anyways, we slept in today, so I sent like a little absence report to the school saying that we'd be there by 9:30. It's 9:16. Quinn is dressed, fed. I just got dressed. And yeah, we're gonna leave in the next couple of minutes to take him over to school. We were all super tired for some reason, so all slept in a bit. And yeah, just back on the regular vlogging and life schedule. I'm just sitting at my desk. I'm working on like a project for a wedding client right now. I also did a little bit of advertising for some Christmas studio sessions. I used Quinn and Coop as the models, so I just posted that to my business page. And now I'm gonna play a little bit of guitar, just take a little break. Then I'm gonna get back to work. I want to learn a new Taylor Swift song. I've learned 4 so far, and yeah, just want to practice singing.
Mommy is so beautiful. She is on my way.
It's much later now. I feel like this is gonna be a much shorter vlog. I've just been hanging out with the kids. Quinn got home from school not that long ago. I'm just making dinner and trying to plan some sports bra. My friend Sarah came over. I texted her to see how she was doing, and she wasn't having the best day, so I suggested, I was like, let's go get Starbucks. Let's come on over, let's pick Quinn up from school, you know, take her mind off things. So we did that. I did a little bit of Christmas shopping. Didn't vlog that. And then came home and just like talked with Tim a little bit, hung out. The boys played with Play-Doh. Now I'm just deshelling shrimp. I'm making shrimp and rice and garlic broccoli for dinner. There's my shrimp cooking away. I've got this pasta going.
30 pounds.
Rice is going. Then once this pasta stuff is done, I'm gonna do garlic broccoli in this pot. So this is like the easiest like sriracha shrimp recipe. I've been making this like a long time. So basically you just start with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, get the shrimp going, and then you add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can do freshly squeezed, but I just like to keep this in my fridge for stuff like this. And then 2 tablespoons of sriracha. And then what you do is you kind of let all the liquid like evaporate and let it caramelize a little bit. Oh, so good. So I am using these are like mega jumbo shrimp. So this whole package has 680 grams, and for every 100 grams is 15 grams of protein, so every 3 shrimp. Yeah, so that can pretty much be split into 4 meals. So each meal has like 30 grams of protein, which is awesome. There's the final product. Boys are watching a video message for us.
I best get back to checking my niceness. I'll take this to the mail room.
Okay, now keep scrubbing. I've added more soap. Let me just go over once. Good morning.
Do you think Dad's the ghost of Christmas past, present, or
It's Saturday. We're watching a Christmas movie. We're watching Spirited.
We watched the beginning, but we didn't watch the whole thing.
Did so.
We did not.
Quinn asked for some hot milk. Playing with all the new Star Wars Lego that my aunt got for him.
Auntie Nan.
Auntie Nan, that's right.
Auntie Nan.
Auntie
Why's
Nan.
her name Auntie Nan?
Well, that's just what, we call her. I call her Aunt Nan, but I thought it'd be cute for you guys to call her Auntie Nan.
Hi, Quasi. See, we're coloring Quasi. Can you do blue on Quasi? Where does blue go on Quasi?
I want to do black on pencil.
Oh, black on peso. Okay. Oh, that one's kind of greenish. Here, let me have that. Here, I'll get you black, honey.
I actually have black.
He has
Oh.
the black one.
Quinn has the black.
He's doing Darth
Why
Vader.
don't
So
we
here,
do-
we've got a black crank. Oh, no, that's kind of purple. Yeah, that's
No, that's green.
Watch, we need this.
Oh, wait, is that?
Okay, hold on.
Black.
There's black.
Oh.
Quasi.
Yeah.
Woo!
Ow! I told you the horsey was not friendly. He's not. He's a little kid. You're my best friend. So good.
What is it?
I don't think it's pool water.
What kind of water is it?
I think it's sink water.
Okay, how did you set this up? Describe it.
So I was going to experiment with this, turn on the sink and then turn it off. And then it just exploded, opened with that in there. Then pop, here it is.
He is my son.
He absolutely is.
100%.
Creating an experiment? Yes. What you doing?
This is called a water face. It's where you have to put water on your face.
I basically like live in sports bras at this point. Just gonna clean up the kitchen. I have an Airbnb booked for tonight for Tim and I because it's his birthday weekend. We're just gonna do a little night away. I've got a little surprise planned. Yep, so I'm just trying to like clean up the house, get stuff ready. It's like 3:30. Tim's coming. We are just getting in the car. We're gonna go pick out our Christmas tree. Kids are saying they're hungry, so we might stop at like Tim Hortons or something. Then after we get our tree, we're gonna go to Niagara on the Lake. What would you prefer? McDonald's or Tim Hortons?
Oh yeah, look at that. McDonald's. Boys, do you want McDonald's or Tim Hortons?
Hey, I've just adjusted the shutter speed so my highlights weren't blown out.
Well then don't adjust the shutter speed, adjust this, you maniac.
There, that's good.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
Nobody thanked me for their chocolates.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Spot there, please.
Number one?
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks.
These are the Happy Meals.
I'm gonna turn this off.
Okay.
Or no, wait, here, hold on. Hey guys, do you want to do a greatest hits song from Dad? Now at the top of the charts from last month, it's I Want My iPad by Timothy Gordon. Featuring, yep, we're waiting for our McDonald's. Featuring lyrics by Quinn Emmett Gordon. I want my
iPad.
I want my
iPad. I was
Tim's just standing over there.
not putting on your
On our McDonald's. We already have that truck at home.
Oh, can we get that? You want that truck? We have that truck. Okay, go find an ornament.
These are pretty.
No, we should pick it together.
Oh, leave it, leave it, leave it. That's part of the arrangement, honey.
What's our tree, Jess? Can you take these?
Oh,
My Leica mask.
no.
I like it.
This,
Doesn't look on the ground.
this looks like the nicest one. This one looks a little fuller, actually.
Yeah, I thought that one looked the best. I noticed her right away, lass. Oh, it's a bunny tree. Hey, don't kick me, tree lad.
We got some gnomes.
Because the tree kicks back. Aye. You don't kick me, tree. Not me Scotch pin. Everybody, ta-da! Ta-da! La 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 la.
Dada, I'm gonna tell you something. You need to listen to me. Dada, Santa. Dada,
Put your arm around your brother. Wait. Okay, wait. Look at your mom. You gotta take a picture now, Jess.
We picked out a couple things.
Yes, we diddly did.
I'm helping. You really are.
She's a little one this year.
A little Juan.
She's teeny. Perfect.
Oh, this trouble for Scott. You want your Scotch pine, lassie?
Yes.
Hey, I got a bunny one for you this year.
Look at how cute it looks right there.
My mind is blown.
We just got here. All these cute lights. Are you excited?
Yeah, as we were pulling up, I was like, it's so pretty. I was like, oh, maybe we're going to like a little like Christmas drive-through or Christmas light show. This is crazy.
Tell them where we're going.
Niagara Helicopters Limited. I've never done this before. This is so cool. Oh my gosh.
He's so surprised.
This is an adventure. And it's a Christmas tour of lights?
Well, I don't know how many like actual like Christmas lights are out yet, but like it goes over the falls and the falls are lit up, right?
Oh.
So it'll at least be lights of the falls.
That sounds amazing. Thank you. What a cool gift. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never done anything like this before.
All right, we're gonna go in and get checked in and
I'm gonna bring my Leica.
yeah.
I've always wanted to do something like this. That's cool.
Arrived at our Airbnb. It's this super cute, like look at the little tree there, nice cobblestone driveway. This is like classic Niagara on the Lake kind of vibes here. I'll have to show you guys the front of it during the day. It's kind of dark right now, but
Very dark.
yeah, we're headed in now. Ooh. So the curtained areas we stay out of.
There we go.
Very nice.
Welcome to Shoes Boots. Please remove shoes boots and leave them on the mats provided.
I'm gonna leave my boots here.
My boots, my boots. My lovely hobbit boots.
So I guess this is just like the lounge area. Oh, this room is really cute. I'll come back again like in the daytime, but
This light fixture is so dope.
it's so
Alright.
so cool. Now we're just gonna go upstairs.
Oh, is that where we go?
Yeah, we go upstairs, and that's where our room is.
Brilliant.
I think first door on the right. Here we go.
What is it called? The Brianna Suite?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this place is so cool.
Cool.
Oh my god.
This is our room. Ooh. Got a little coffee.
Some Wi-Fi instructions.
A little bathroom. This is
Little
so
bathroom?
cute.
Yeah, it's tiny. Tiny bathroom.
Hold me closer, tiny bathroom.
Do you like it?
Like it? I love it. This is beautiful. Can't wait to have a shower.
Love.
Very luxurious.
This is nicer than a hotel.
Way nicer than a hotel.
Happy birthday, baby.
This place is so nice.
I got some monkeys. Hi, sweeties.
Oh, I gotta go say hi. I wanna come say hi. So does mommy. Ow.
Oh God, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Hi.
Let's see your face.
see.
I can't see you.
Okay. Look. No touching, remember?
Teen Titans Go.
Yeah, watch this.
I don't think he wants to watch that. I think he wants to watch you play truant.
Yeah, we want to say hi to you.
We want to say hi to you. You having a nice night? Are you enjoying the Christmas tree? Does it smell nice?
Yeah.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Oh, we love you.
It smells in your nose. That's where it's supposed to smell.
Some cutie little outfit. I feel so hot.
You look so hot. OMG. Wow.
That's my girl.
We're walking to dinner now. We're going to Treadwell. Oh, here it is.
Here it is. Farm to
This is hella cute.
Is this amazing?
So nice. So I'm thinking of getting venison carpaccio for my first. And then kind of want to try the carrot soup.
I know. It
Because
sounds so good.
The scallops and the tuna are both seafood, and I'm thinking about getting the almond crusted Northern Ontario Arctic char for my mains. I don't want to like overdo it with the seafood. And honestly, probably the pumpkin cheesecake for dessert. There we go. Cheers. You're my best friend.
Thank you for everything.
Oh my god.
This looks insane.
Come on. Come on.
Tim got the scallops,
I sure did. A little bit of pork belly. Ooh.
and I got the carrot
Mama.
soup. Okay, Tim is having pork from Spain. What is it? What fed? Chestnut fed? Chestnut fed.
Something that.
Something fed pork from Spain. Oh my god. And I'm having Arctic char. Okay, this is stunning.
This looks incredible.
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. We just packed up all our stuff. We're just about to check out of our Airbnb, and we're gonna go grab some breakfast.
What an
together.
amazing dinner. What a great helicopter
That was
ride.
crazy. That was such a nice night.
I love
Happy
you.
birthday,
Thank you.
baby.
I feel very spoiled.
It's not his birthday until Tuesday, but this is his birthday weekend, so we gotta make the most of it. We're in downtown Niagara on the Lake now. We are gonna grab a little bit of breakfast from probably Starbucks and walk around and do a little bit of Christmas shopping. We just got home, stopped at the grocery store, got some essentials. Oh, it's good to be home. I think we're gonna decorate the tree later.
Oh yeah. Ninja
I missed you.
Hey Ninja. Hi. Oh, my beautiful ninja boy.
Wanna play hide and seek?
I love to play hide and seek.
Upstairs.
Okay.
Okay.
You didn't
go.
see me? Well, here I am. Do you see
Hold on,
me?
hold on. Let me
Let's play
see.
hide and seek.
Do you see me now?
Family.
Bye.
Hold on, let me say hide and seek first.
I missed you. You did?
Relax. Relax. Oh my god. Okay, okay,
This
okay.
was very
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, hold on, get down. Stop it. Oh my god. Okay, go on.
Go.
She's like biting the pillow. She's so excited. Hi.
So I made some beautiful pizza. Well worth it, in my opinion. But I don't know if you guys can see the white powder over in that corner. Our frickin' oven, S-H-I-T, the bed. So now we're gonna have to get a new one. So I'm just doing some measurements right now to see how big we need to get it. 30 inches by it looks like it's like 25 and a half for the counter and 29 for like out to the handle. We also
These aren't working. You said
Half
no.
of you doesn't work, but I keep you.
Does this baby still work?
Is this enough for our little tree?
I don't know. We will soon find out.
oh man.
We're
We're starting to decorate the tree as you can see. Boys are in bed. Tim and I are gonna go get some Christmas lights.
possibly.
Yes, possibly. We're just in the car. We just got back from Lowe's. We're actually at Tim Hortons right now. We got a new oven because ours, like the stove element, like just completely separated and broke. Burnt. It's caught on fire, melted. I don't know.
It looked like it was like molten. Yeah, it was scary. Like there was like a flashing, you know, orange, yellow, red light. I thought it was like the light bulb inside of the oven going.
Anyway,
It scared me. I thought there was going to be an electrical fire.
he did. He was like already coming up with an escape plan in his head for everybody. But yes, we ordered our new oven and just getting some lattes now. Just finished my last genetics online quiz of the semester. The only thing I have left for that class now is the exam, and that's the only exam I have, so I can really like focus on that. I have a written assignment for my nutrition class due on December the 8th. So I have a couple days to work on my part for that. It's like a group written assignment, so yeah, probably just gonna end the vlog here. There's not really much to show in ways of that, and it's been a busy week. Thank you so much for watching another week in our life. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you have not already, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks everybody. See you next week.